PyCon 2025. Woo! PyCon 2025 is held on the lands of the Wiradjuri Woiwurrung people of the Kulin Nation. We pay our respects to their elders past and present. And welcome to the education track. And as we gather here to share our knowledge, teaching, and learning practices, may we pay respect to the traditional knowledge embedded forever within Aboriginal custodianship of country. Welcome to PyCon! Yes! Yay! So, my speaker notes say, my name is Peter, and I'm your conference director. It's so great to have you all here, but that's not quite right. I'm Nikki. This is
Amanda.
And this is Ali. Hello, we'll be your hosts today. If this is your first time at the event, welcome. If it's not, also welcome. Welcome back. Today we have specialist tracks. Tomorrow and Sunday are the main conference of PyCon, and then there are the sprints if you're feeling energetic. A few notes we're going to run through quickly. There is a mask zone over there. Hello, wave. If you're sitting in the mask zone, please respect the mask zones. Some of us feel safer and more comfortable around folks wearing masks. Dedicated seating is in each of these rooms, stage left. Please wear a mask when sitting in those areas. We all deserve to feel safe and comfortable and welcome here. We have a code of conduct, and we mean it. It's really important for our community to stay the most welcoming, wholesome community I've ever met in my entire life. So, if at any point during the conference you feel unsafe, or you want to report some questionable behavior, please contact a member of the safety team. Hey, safety team, can you wave your badges? Yeah, you know that they're red. Right. The color normally associated with safety. If you're not sure whether it's really worth saying something about something, you can talk it through with some of the safety team and they can always help you figure it out. Please, we all need to work to make this a lovely community, so please do. We have a map. We're in a place. This place has many places within it. There are rooms, there are areas, there's several opportunities for tea and coffee. We are in Ballroom 3. This map is printed on the back of your badge. There's the rego that you all successfully made it through. Congratulations. There is food, which you passed, although the food was empty at the time. I hear tell it will be full later. And then it's our job to help make it empty again. There's an AV office behind the rego desk, past the toilets. Speakers, you can test your talk and the laptop and all of the things with the equipment there. It may even work. That would be great. There is a hallway track. Here is the special secret PyCon source. There is another track. It's the track where you talk to people. It sounds scarier than it is. People chatting in the conference, I personally will not be offended if you skip my talk on Sunday to go and talk to other people and talk about cool things. And I'm pretty sure most of the speakers here also wouldn't be. That doesn't mean stand up and leave now, but that's fine. Yes, people are happy to chat, including speakers. If you have questions and you didn't get to your question, you can find them and ask them those questions later. There is an organizer office near the AV. Ask a volunteer if you need to get in touch with the organizers. Also, there are contacts on the back of your badge. We don't do that here. What I said earlier about PyCon being a lovely, wholesome community, we don't trash talk other communities. Even if there are quirks of other languages that you think are really, 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 really silly, be nice about it. We don't assume anyone is not a programmer. In fact, I hear there are these people who aren't programmers and they also deserve respect. It's true. It's true. We don't make jokes at the expense of others. But we're just not the community that talks like that. People who are here want to be part of this community, and yes.
Most people are kind. Most people are kind.
Yeah, that's why I come back. Yeah. Yes, good work, us kind people. We also have a culture page. So we all like our in-jokes, and also we don't want people to feel left out. So please feel free to add funny things that happen or that happened, and find out about funny things that may happen in the future at this page. Apparently someone submitted a GitHub issue yesterday with a suggestion to explain some more jargon, and that's fantastic. But also, conference organizers are ridiculously busy, so if you want to help the rest of the community understand dunders and magic and all of the things, please submit a PR. And also, there's a note here saying, please don't judge us too harshly about the website code. Bathrooms. On Friday, that is today, this event space is shared with another event, so the bathroom facilities are remaining gendered. If you want a gender-neutral bathroom, there is an all-gender accessible bathroom on the ground floor near reception. But tomorrow and Sunday, all of the level 1 bathrooms will look thusly, and please use the bathroom that best suits your needs. And in that bathroom, you will find a basket of exciting goodies. You take what you need, leave for others, let people know if things are empty. There'll be tampons and pads and deodorant and toothbrushes and combs and tissues and stuff. There is, I hear tell, conference Wi-Fi. These are the details. This is where everyone pulls out their phone, and I pause for a second. And then I do the dramatic reveal and say, I can't get it to work in this room. But I hear tell that it works outside those magical doors.
It works outside those.
I don't know, give me a thumbs up if you've got it working in here or something. Discord, okay, this one is actually genuinely really important. Can you please all join the Discord so that people heart my posts? I think that's what we do on Discord. Is that not the, that's what, so there are going to be some important notifications that, communications that we push out, the organizers push out this afternoon about attending tomorrow's conference. So it's really important that we actually make sure that that information gets out to you, so please join the Discord. There is a link on your ticket. If you have troubles clicking on that link, which sounds silly but genuinely happens to me in the past and probably me in the future, let us know. There are communication stickers about whether folks are happy to talk or less happy to talk, or happy to talk to you only if you already know someone. So green circle means happy to chat to anyone, yellow triangle means check with them first, and red octagon means let them initiate communication. The stickers are reusable, but you can change your sticker throughout the day. Please respect people's preferences. And also, please talk to people.
Those stickers are at Rego Desk and will be spread around as the day progresses for food areas.
Is the food available to talk?
The food is not available.
Not available to talk. So, Pac-Man rule. We will now demonstrate the Pac-Man rule in action. Hey, no one can talk to it. Oh, look. There's a space. People can join the conversation. And then if another person joins...
Bigger space.
Yeah. It's a good thing. Please do it. Also, snowballs. The snowball rule is, it turns out a lot of us know other people who are already at the conference, and wouldn't it be nice if other people got to know new people at the conference? Please try to go to meet the number of people whose PyCon's yes.
How many have you been to? Meet that many people. How many have you been to? Meet that many people.
If you can't count that high, just meet lots of people. Yeah. There are some birds of a feather sessions. This is a handy place where you could go and meet new people. These are small, self-organized sessions. They can be on any topic of your choosing, like random vowels and diphthongs. Topics can be functional programming, queerness, crochet, running, Running. I was expecting another thing there, but running. Pockets. We did have some excellent pockets, bird with feathers. They can have it in meal breaks, before or after the conference. You can advertise your birds of a feather on the whiteboard at Rego and also on Discord, because we're all on Discord, right? All of the people are on Discord. And also the whiteboard, thank you, yes. There's lost and found. If you find something, let a volunteer know, or you can take it to Rego desk. If you... a blue badge for volunteers, or for, yeah. If you lose something, you can ask for it at Rego desk, and hopefully it will have been found. T-shirts. If you signed up in time to get a T-shirt, you can pick up your T-shirt from lunch. Please bring your ticket. You will need to do the thing. And after afternoon tea, if your T-shirt is the wrong size, then you can go and, at afternoon tea, you can swap sizes.
I think that's tomorrow.
Probably.
Yeah, I'm not sure that that's today.
It's in my slide deck. If you all go up and harass, no, that's right, we don't do that here. Maybe, stay tuned. Sponsors. We can't run this event year after year after year with discounted tickets and financial assistance programs and so much support for the community without the help of our extremely generous sponsors, including Platinum sponsor, Valky, Gold sponsors, Kraken Tech, and Cypher Stash, and standard sponsors and digital sponsors and all of these things, and you're all fantastically amazing. And of course, we absolutely cannot, we should, hang on, Google, Elastic, AWS, Planet Innovation, Kraken, Electron Workshop, and of course, we absolutely cannot run this event without the logistical and financial support of Linux Australia. Thank you very much. Can I get a massive round of applause? Also, some of these representatives are here at the conference right now, and you can go and talk to them and ask them about things. I think I saw socks. You could ask them about socks, but also you could ask them about the fantastic things that their company does and why they like Python and why they like open source. If you need more questions, ask me later, I guess, or ask them. There are workshops. They've sold out. Sorry. But if you're registered for a workshop and you can no longer go, please let Rego know so that someone else who's on the wait list can sign up. There's a job board. If you want a job, or if you want to hire someone for a job, there is a whiteboard in the foyer, and also on the Discord. The Discord.
Also, there are stickers at Rego for seeking or like has a job that is open, that kind of thing. Hiring or seeking, there we go.
That's a great idea. I love that. Speakers. If you're speaking, please come to your track room in the meal break before your talk. So that we can make sure that you're here and alive and awake, and also that you're in the right room and you know where to go and that the AV works and all of those things. Check in the meal break before, not the gap 5 minutes before, please. Thank you, my cardio physio. Yeah, thank you. Hey, look at this.
We should be wearing hats.
I should have brought my trunks. Yes. Hey, Alyssa, can you come up? Yeah. So 10 years ago, Alyssa thought, hey, wouldn't it be cool if like Python and education were a thing and it would work nicely together? And so 10 years ago, Alyssa, 11, yeah, it's true. 10, yeah, did a thing, and we're still going now. Yes. Handed off a thing. The mark of a true thing. And so we have it. We have a little thing. If we can scooch over. I did that. Oh, because we had to download this. It no longer. That's all right. Well, you know what? We're going to play that. We're going to play our special thing just before morning tea. That'll keep you in the room. Also, we have hats.
Okay, so we have stickers of little academic hats in sparkly silver and black that you can decorate your badge with. My little A has a sparkly silver hat. Or they are the correct size for Curly Boy Station tomorrow. I have them in the room. I've handed out a bunch already. If you want one, see me today in the room and I will give you one, because tomorrow when the Curly Boy Station arrives, they will just get put on the table and other people can get them and you will not get your personalised hat. Oh, I mean, it's not personalised, but your owed hat, your due hat for being in the room.
Yes. I was just checking whether it would actually work. No. No, but I can't. But yeah, no. Yes. Okay, so that's us. That's the welcome.
Okay, I can get you on because Acre's working.
Oh.
But before...
No, because let's stick to time, and then we can be at time, and then we can reward people for sitting through the talks. And we'll play the video no, let's do it now! Because then it'll be in the recording. The video. Hang on, we need to, yeah.
Do you want me to get you on the internet?
Well, we can do it before the student showcase. Yes, yeah. I knew I put this in for a reason. Okay, stay for the student showcase this afternoon. There's a special treat. It's the student showcase, and also a special treat, as well as the student showcase, which is itself a special treat. Yay, thank you everyone. We're gonna swap, and next up is Jack Reichelt, and he'll be talking about cool stuff, but give us 2 minutes, yay!